Welcome, welcome. Take a deep breath and let yourself relax tonight. Tonight, we're going on a gentle walk. We're going on a gentle walk through a peaceful forest as soft rain falls all around us. It's early evening. The air is cool and fresh, and the sky is a soft gray. You step onto a quiet forest path, surrounded by tall, ancient trees. Perhaps the first drops of rain begin to fall. Gentle, rhythmic tapping softly on the leaves above a hurry. You walk slowly. There's no hurry, no destination. Just this peaceful moment. Just you and the rain of Rayonars. The path beneath your feet is soft with moss. Each step is quiet. As you move deeper into the forest, the rain grows a little steadier now, but it's calm, soothing. You can hear it falling on the canopy of leaves above, creating a soft, natural melody where droplets occasionally find their way through the branches, landing softly on your shoulders, your face, cool and refreshing. The scent of earth rises around you, rich, grounding. The smell of rain on soil and pine needles. Everything feels fresh, renewed, peaceful. To your left, you notice a small stream. The rain has made it flow a little faster, bubbling gently over smooth stones. You pause for a moment, listening to the water, the rain, the soft rustle of leaves in the breeze. All the sounds blend together, creating a symphony of calm, washing away any tension, any worry away. You continue walking, slower now, letting the rain's rhythm guide you. The trees here are magnificent. Their trunks wide and strong, their branches reaching up like natural umbrellas, protecting you from the heavier rain. Through gaps in the leaves, you catch glimpses of the gray sky. Soft clouds moving slowly overhead. Everything is still except for the gentle movement of rain and your slow, peaceful steps. Rain, you come to a small clearing, and here the rain falls more freely, dancing on ferns and wildflowers, creating tiny ripples in puddles forming on the path. You stand still for a moment, just breathing, being. Remains the coolness of the air, the softness of the rain, the earthy scent all around, It all reminds you that this is a moment of peace, a moment just for you. As you continue walking, you notice your breathing has become slower, deeper, matching the rhythm of the rain. In and out, slow and steady. The path begins to wind gently downward, and you follow it, trusting where it leads, knowing you are safe, warm, knowing you are calm, warned. Ahead, you see an old wooden bench beneath a large oak tree. Its branches creating a natural shelter. You walk toward it and sit down slowly, settling into the peace of this moment. From here, you can watch the rain falling across the forest. See it misting through the trees, hear it whispering on the leaves. Your body feels relaxed. Your mind feels quiet. Your breathing is slow and easy, or you sit here in this peaceful forest with the rain as your companion, and you know that sleep will come gently, naturally, and there's nothing you need to do now. Nowhere you need to be, just this moment, this peace, soft, this calm. And as the rain continues to fall, soft and steady, you feel yourself drifting, letting go, surrendering to rest. The forest holds you. The rain soothes you, and sleep welcomes you. Rest now, peacefully, deeply. Good night.